no matter how good your website is, but some of the few SEO settings are not done on your website, then your WordPress website is not going to be listed on Google. So this RI Marine Spare is been actually nicely indexed on Google. So I'll show you how you can do it using Yoast SEO. So in the previous video, we talked about how we can actually do the SEO of a product, but now we are going to go for a general settings and normal settings. So first we'll go to the general, and when you open it first time, you'll see the SEO data optimization option, and this is basically the Yoast SEO will analyze and take necessary steps to make sure that your website is properly optimized. But you don't have to do this. You just have to simply click continue. Then the second option will appear, will be are you an organization or a person, and select whatever you are, and make sure that the name is proper and the organization is name is also proper, and the logo should be high quality because this logo will be displayed sometimes small or big in the Google search results. Then save changes. Then the next is social profiles. So this RI Marine Spare does not have these social profiles, so they have not added. But you can, if you're a person, definitely you can, and you can add more like YouTube or any others, Instagram, etc. Then click on save changes. Like personal preferences here, please don't do this. Like, you don't do this, I can already give you good tips, so you don't need to register your mail and spam your mail with these tips. So, and are you help your SEO to improve the service? Definitely not. And save changes. Now this will finish the configuration. Now you have to go to settings. So here there are some of the toggles or features, as you can see, which you have to enable it to make sure that your website get ranked on the Google or Bing or Yahoo or particular what optimization you want to do for. Mostly 90% it is for Google. So the AI tools are most important. Make sure you turn it on, and this is the new one. And this will help a large language model to make sure that what is more important in your website, and they'll position your website ad in that way and make your website rank. So if you want, you can enable this feature, but currently I'm not enabling it. And make sure in writing SEO analytics, readability analytics, in insights, these are the feature. Make sure to do on these features as I have done this. Then the insight structure on this, in text link on this, and you can just copy what I have enabled the features in this task list, admin bar menu, REST API endpoint, XML sitemap. This is the important one. You have to do this if you want to do the SEO, etc. And you don't go for premium, your website can get a list without going premium, as RI Marine Spare Yoast SEO does not have the premium of it, but it is ranked on Google. If you search RI Marine Spare, it will come properly on the top of the search results. So it is highly and nicely ranked. So you don't need to go for premium options, but you need to have right settings turned on. Then there is site basic, the website name, alternate name if you have, but I'll prefer not to use any alternate name. Your brand name should be one. Then tagline should be attractive because it will come besides your website name when someone will search it. So it should be concise and readable and nice tagline. Then straight up, I had done this. You can choose any of this. This is the first one. It was also good. First one or this one, which I have selected. Then the site image, you have to upload a high quality image. And site preference, you can use what settings I have done, and don't go for the premium but one option. Okay, if you are highly needed to rank the maximum potential, then you need to go for a Yoast SEO premium version, but most of people does not need it. Then site representation, you know, the organizational person, you know what you are. Okay, organization. And yeah, you don't need to add much because we have added before. So site connections, uh, you don't need to add because most of people need to add Google. So for that, I'll make a separate video on how to add Google in Google, integrate Google into your Yoast SEO. This is the topic of my next video. It is a bit long process and you need to go through some of the steps. So I'll make sure how we can do this. This ID is been used in the Yoast SEO to connect your Yoast SEO and Google account. Okay. Then homepage, you can individually do the SEO of each of them. Okay. Make sure that this is turned on, and SEO title, post and meta description. Make sure that do whatever I had done. I'll just go through all of my settings. Search appearances. Uh, how will pages appear on your search? So first will be the title, then separator, what I have shown you previously, and then in the last there will be site name written. Make sure that this format should be same. If you want to add anything, insert variable, and you can add any of this category. And meta description also, you can add meta description. And don't go for this and floating elements. Make sure that things are selected. Many things are selected by default, so you don't need to change, but many important setting you need to change. You have to change the your related settings. Like if you have e-commerce, then you need to be changing the products or the pages one. If you have anything else, you need to decide what category you want to change. So in this, you also need to help with ChatGPT or any other AI tool, which will tell you that what you need to be changed in Yoast SEO. You can ask ChatGPT also for your individual topic. I'm just going through the overview of it. And then category, also you just can do what I have done, because my website is the client website is properly listed on Google. So okay, you just copy what I have done. If many of the things maybe are already done by Yoast SEO, as they also do some work from their side. And these are the advanced one. I'll cover a separate video of the advanced setting, because these are highly um, important if you want best and high searchability in different countries, or more and more searchability of your product. So I'll cover the advanced topic in the next video. And on another video is how to integrate Google account and Microsoft Bing and Yahoo, etc. 2-3 accounts to your Yoast SEO, so that it will show analytics and it will index your website on their search engine. So stay tuned for the next video. And if you find this video helpful, then comment down below and tell me what suggestions you have for my next video. Thank you very much.